Welcome to our exclusive Charleston, South Carolina and Savannah, Georgia photography workshop. Your invitation to capture the quintessential beauty of the American South. Join us in spring when these historic cities truly bloom to life, painting a vibrant palette of color across every scene. We'll explore Charleston, a city renowned for its breathtaking charm. Imagine early mornings on cobblestone streets where you'll photograph the intricate details of historic homes, overflowing window boxes, and the unique architectural features that define this elegant city. We'll also visit one of Charleston's grandest plantations, stepping into serene, lush gardens and capturing the timeless beauty of iconic oak trees draped in Spanish moss. Throughout your workshop experience, we prioritize your growth and comfort. You can expect early mornings at prime locations, followed by delicious local meals. On select days, we offer post-processing assistance, helping you refine your images and enhance your editing skills. This workshop is designed for all experience levels, from beginners to advanced. Our small group size, targeting just 8 participants, ensures personalized guidance and plenty of one-on-one instruction. This is Savannah, a city rich with history and captivating allure. Here you'll find unparalleled opportunities to capture stunning images. Our journey through Savannah includes delving into the hauntingly beautiful Boneyard Cemetery, with its historic gravestones and stately mausoleums, all softened by atmospheric Spanish moss. It's truly a unique and evocative setting. We'll also photograph Savannah's iconic centuries-old oak-lined avenues, where natural tunnels of shade create a serene and picturesque backdrop, perfect for capturing the city's southern charm. The historic district of Savannah is a photographer's dream, filled with beautifully preserved architecture from grand facades to intricate details, reflecting Savannah's rich heritage. And of course, we'll explore the enchanting Forsyth Park, capturing its manicured gardens, the famous Grand Fountain, and tranquil moss-draped walkways. And for a dramatic contrast, we'll also venture to a Boneyard beach on either Estudito Island or Jekyll Island. Here, ancient tree skeletons rise dramatically from the sand and water, their bleached forms creating an eerie yet beautiful contrast with the coastline. This stunning, otherworldly scene will add a unique, powerful element to your portfolio. Expect to get your feet wet as we capture these extraordinary compositions shaped by nature and tides. Are you ready to discover the charm of the South and elevate your photography? Visit our website, linked to in the video description, to learn more and secure your spot on our next Charleston and Savannah photography workshop.